Perennial Bee Balm. Bee Balm Monarda spp. is the common name that refers to several species of annual and perennial plants in the mint family Lamiaceae. As the name suggests, bees are highly attracted to bee balm, as are butterflies, hummingbirds and other pollinators. Also known as horsemint, wild bergamot and Oswego tea, bee balm provides vibrant color and fragrance to perennial cutting gardens and woodland plantings. Perennial wildflower bee balms. Spotted bee balm. Also called dotted bee balm and spotted horsemint, spotted bee balm Monarda punctata is a North American wildflower specific to the coastal regions of the eastern U.S. and cultivated in U.S. Department of Agriculture plant hardiness zones 3 through 8. The oregano-scented leaves effectively deter deer, but people find them pleasant in tea blends. In midsummer, clusters of yellow blooms with purple spots appear on 1 to 2 foot stems. The unique feature that distinguishes this bee balm from most other species is double whorls of flowers emerging from the same stem. Wild bergamot. Wild bergamot Monarda fistulosa, also known as lavender bee balm, occurs naturally in the U.S., Canada and Mexico and is cultivated in USDA zones 3 through 9. This species produces long-lasting, lavender-colored flowers that bloom from July through September. While not as striking in color contrast to some other perennial bee balms, wild bergamot will continue to flower when most other species are finished blooming. With a potential height of 4 feet, this is also one of the taller species of bee balms. Scarlet Monarda. Scarlet Monarda Monarda is a northeastern U.S. native commonly called Oswego tea because the Oswego Native Americans of New York showed the colonists how to make tea from its flowers and leaves. With bright red blossoms supported by 2 to 4 foot stems, this is one of the most popular ornamental species cultivated in USDA zones 4 through 9. Because the plant spreads via underground runners as well as by self-seeding, Scarlet Monarda is favorable for naturalized, woodland gardens. Tip: Wildflower bee balm species thrive in average, medium to dry, well-drained soil and full sun to partial shade. Perennial bee balm cultivars. Fireball. Suited to USDA zones 4 through 8, Fireball Monarda Fireball differs from other perennial bee balms in that it has a preference for moist, organically rich soil, which makes this species particularly appropriate for rain gardens or to grow along ponds and streams. As the name implies, this cultivar features bright red flowers in July and August. Although it only reaches 1 to 1.5 feet in height, the plant self-propagates by underground rhizomes. Pink Supreme. Pink Supreme Monarda Pink Supreme is a dwarf cultivar of bee balm that does best in USDA zones 4 through 8. Light green leaves and single-tier pink blooms emerge in midsummer on stems that can reach up to 15 inches in height. Blue Stocking. Noted for its vibrant blue-violet flowers that peak in mid-July, Bluestocking Monarda Blaustrumpf Bluestocking provides colorful contrast in perennial flower beds, cottage gardens and in woodland settings in USDA zones 4 through 8. This cultivar is not only distinctive due to its unusual flower color but also because of its blue-green foliage. This plant is of medium height, growing to be an average of 2 to 3 feet tall. Tip: Bee balm cultivars prefer average, medium to wet soil and full sun to partial shade. Common features and uses. Landscape uses. Whether native wildflower or cultivar, all bee balm species share similar characteristics and benefits, such as the ability to attract butterflies, bees and hummingbirds, naturally repel deer, easily naturalize in open settings, thrive in woodland, cottage, kitchen herb, cutting end, rain-themed gardens. Culinary uses. Use the dried leaves and flowers and tea blends. Add fresh blossoms to unbaked dough for breads and cookies. Toss fresh flowers with salad greens.